In a previous video, I went over my settings for GPS rescue in BetaFlight. The video's been well received. I've got a lot of comments. I know it works well because I use it myself, and I know a lot of you have had good results too. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below for that video for the people who haven't seen that. But one of my viewers actually is having a small problem. He said that it actually will return the quad back home if he uses the switch that he's programmed for return home or GPS rescue. The problem is if you turn the remote controller off, then give it a second or two and then turn it back on, he can't regain control of the aircraft, even though the remote controller or the goggles are both, because we're going to be using the RC3 here as well as the goggles O3. He still can't maintain control of the aircraft, and it comes back home anyway. But it would be nice if you get regained signal to retake control of the aircraft. It stays in fail-safe. So what we're going to do today is go over the procedure on how to regain control of the aircraft once it's in fail-safe after you turn off the remote controller and then turn it back on. Let's go ahead and get this quad in the air and I'll show you how we do it. Well, we're all set up over there to take off, so let's go ahead and get in the air. As you can see here, I'm in air mode and we're ready to take off. So what we'll do is we'll just give this a test to begin with. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit my switch that puts it in the GPS rescue, which is the motor button that I use here on the DJI remote controller. As you can see at the bottom of the screen there, it's in rescue and everything seems to be working just fine. It's coming back to our takeoff point. So I'm going to go ahead and press that button again. Now I'm back in air mode and I can do whatever I want to do here. So let's go ahead and let's go out here and let's go for broke. We'll go out over here over the trees. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the remote controller off. So now you see it has RC loss, and we've got the signal interference, which I don't know why there is. And down at the bottom there, it says it's in rescue mode. So what I'm going to do now is turn the remote controller back on. We'll wait for it to connect. And you see that it's flashing fail-safe there in the middle of the screen. If I were to move my throttle up and down, that's fine. If I hit my rescue switch that I did previously, it doesn't do anything. I certainly don't want to disarm the quad because it would probably fall out of the sky. The way you get out of fail-safe is your right-hand stick, just move it forward. Once it reaches about a 45-degree angle, as you can see here, I now have full control over the aircraft once again. Let me see if I can get over here and get this thing landed real quick. Alrighty. Well, as you see there, it's actually a very simple procedure to get it out of fail-safe, but when that does happen, it can be scary. So just practice this a few times so it becomes second nature. Thanks again for watching. If you've really enjoyed this video or even moderately enjoyed the video, I really would appreciate a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'll definitely respond to the comment. Let me know if you've had success with this using the DJI RC3 controller and the O3 goggles. And thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.